Hi, this is Jim Munson. We're here at Encore Packaging, and today we're going to be talking about how to use manual tools to apply open seals to polypropylene strapping. So let me show you how to do it. So you take your tensioner, in this case your EP1150, and you're going to take your two pieces of polypropylene strap. One of them is going to go underneath the gripper foot there, and then one of them through the cutter housing. Once you have that done, you can turn your handle to apply your tension. Then you're going to take your open polypropylene seal here and you're going to slide it onto the strap. You just want to make sure that the open side is facing down, and then you get both pieces of strap inside of there. Once that's on, you're ready to grab your sealer, which in this case is the EP1225. On a polypropylene sealer, those notches in there are going to be serrated so that they can serrate these flat seals on the polypropylene. So once you have that seal ready on your strap, go ahead and put your sealer on there. And go ahead and make your seal. Once you have your seal made, press down on your handle to cut and then slide your tool to the side. So again, that is the EP1150 and the EP1225, demonstrating how to use manual tools for polypropylene strapping with open seals. Thank you.